welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today video title is guys auto screen how to enable. So friends, you want to enable guys your auto screen. So how can you enable it and guys how can you use? In this video I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel. So friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your auto screen. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see this type of settings. So guys click on guys your display and right setting fans and again scroll. So you can see guys your auto rotate. So guys tap here this icon guys right side. Then it will enable it and guys how can you use? So as you can see guys your YouTube app and guys you want to rotate. So as you can rotate like that friends. Then guys your phone will rotate it. So you can use guys your auto screen like that automatic guys when you will rotate it will rotate like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable auto screen in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.